Welcome back to our layover. So today we are here in Hanoi, Vietnam. I don't have any plans on going out. I'm just gonna stay here sa hotel and I'm just gonna show you what our hotel room looks like kasi sobrang ganda. Let's see. And the room is so big, surprisingly. So, I'm just gonna stay here in the hotel and hindi na ako lalayo like city center or I'm gonna book a spa or massage in this hotel. So, I'm gonna bring you I have plans pala. I'm just gonna go check the grocery nearby and let's see what we can buy. So, ayun lang yung agenda ko for today. Mag-check ng grocery and then magpa-massage and relax. So, I'm just gonna see you later. Hello. Hi, can I order pho? Beef. Alright, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, I ordered dinner. I just ordered beef pho and vegetable spring rolls and then kasama na tong side dish. I don't know kung ano nga to, nakalimutan ko. But ayun, kasama siya sa pho. Super laki ng bowl. Nakita nyo naman. And sobrang daming laman niya. After this, di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Siguro, bukas na tayo magkikita kasi I'm gonna go for breakfast buffet then bukas. And I think that's it. I'm just gonna enjoy my dinner. So, it's already 4 p.m. and I only have 1 hour para mag-makeup and mag-prepare ng mga gamit ko. And after that, bababa na ako sa lobby for our pick-up time. And also, kanina, hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi lumabas din ako. Well, nanay ko, nagpapabili ng coffee mate and coffee. So, since coffee, parang popular yung mga coffee dito, I tried na magtingin sa supermarket. So, I'm gonna prepare now and then let's see if magkikita pa tayo later. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup and my hair. Nakapag-ayos na ako ng lahat. And magbibihis na lang ako. Actually, nakabihis na ako sa loob. Pero magsusot na lang ako ng coat. And then, I'm gonna go down. Also, ang bilis ko magsalita. Also, nag-order lang ako ng room service for my baon later sa aircraft kasi iniiwasan ko ng kumain ng aircraft food as much as possible kasi it's my own preference. Anyway, that's it. That's everything. I'm just gonna see you on my next vlog, which is, I don't know yet. Because after this is maglo-London flight na naman tayo. So, Bye!
We are here in Bangkok again. I feel like I'm gonna include every Bangkok now on my vlog. I try not to, but since my roster is always giving me Bangkok, then let's live with it. I'm gonna go for a cafe here in Bangkok. So, parang hindi naman tayo paulit-ulit na nagpapagluta lang, nagpapamassage. It's a great idea na we're a cafe hopping every Bangkok flight. So now, we are here in Pref Cafe and Bar. Already 10 a.m. na.
What I'm eating now is prosciutto carbonara. It's so good. I swear. So, carbonara is safest food na lagi ko in-order sa mga restaurant kasi sure akong hindi masasayang yung pera ko. It's the prosciutto. So, for my drink, this is sparkling lemon with honey. Masarap siya. Like sparkling lemon honey. Yun lang. And this one, avocado toast with poached egg. Well, I love eggs Benedict, but this one is like an avocado toast. Before, I don't eat avocado, but now, parang sarap na niya. Pero pili pa din yung mga dish na kinakain ko na may avocado. Like for this one, or salad, or ice cream. Pero it depends. But it's nice. I like it. So itong food na to, will gonna last until later na. And pala, later tonight na rin yung departure namin going back to Doha. Kasi nga, kagabi nga, dumating na kami. Then, nag-massage lang ako. And then, nag-order na lang ako ng Grab food kagabi. After ko ng massage. Kasi sobrang pagod and delayed kami ng 6 hours. Well, it's roster change naman. But, syempre yung body clock ko, naka-ready na for a midnight flight sana. But then it turns out delayed ng 6 hours. So, morning na kami nag-depart. And then, gabi na kami nag-arrive here in Bangkok. So, ayun. In 2 weeks, nandito ulit ako sa Bangkok. As like, guys, this is a normal roster for me. It's like, it includes Bangkok, Sydney, or London na. So, I don't think we will have much vlogs for other countries kasi at na yung kabigat ng roster ko. So, let's bear with it and enjoy na lang. Okay, so we are here in another cafe, which is Ground Coffee. It's just right in front of the Pref Cafe, where I went to earlier, just like a few minutes ago. So it's just like a 1-minute walk, as in tapat lang siya. I'm just enjoying my iced latte kasi yun lang din naman yung go-to coffee ko and like safest coffee aside from iced chocolate from any other cafe kasi I'm not a matcha girly. Never tasted what matcha tastes like or anything green kasi ayoko sa mga color yellow or green na food like curry and like yung matcha. Anything green and yellow, I don't like it. So I just opted for a cafe latte. Nagpapatay lang ako ng oras here and I'm just searching for hair spa or scalp spa where I want to do a treatment kasi nga super dry at the same time oily ng hair and head ko. Ang dami kong dandruff recently. I think this is just because of stress. Ewan ko kung may connect yun, but yeah, so I'm just gonna check around Tonglor and now I'm here pala in Sathorn area in Bangkok. So it's my first time here in this area and there's a lot of nice shops or cafe. So, ayun, ano bang pag-uusapan natin? 2 months ako nag-stop mag-vlog. Parang demotivated din ako mag-vlog or wala lang ako sa vision mag-vlog. But then, I realized na this is what I like to do. Like, on every layover, I want to vlog. I want to do something. I want to document everything that I do. So, like, in the future, I want to see where have I been or kung anong mga ginawa ko when I was on flight attendant. So, ayun. I'm back on track and let's see. I don't know what happened to me. I mean, I know, but there's still inside of me na hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa akin. And also pala, I went home for vacation. I took a breather kasi so burned out na din. And after nung pagbalik ko sa Doha for work, grabe, sobrang na-homesick ako. Parang kulang na kulang yung leave ko. Like, parang hindi pa ako naka-relax talaga. So, ayun. Na-homesick talaga ako. May times na parang before this kasi Moscow and Sydney flight pa ako. Like, right after nung leave namin, parang sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Parang, alam mo yung naiiyak ako kasi ayoko mag-flight. Ewan ko kung bakit, pero I don't feel like it. But still, I still push through the flight even if I don't feel like it. But I'm definitely fit to fly. It's just that I feel like I wanted to call sick, but I don't wanna lie. And then, I got pulled out from Moscow flight. Girl, hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi hindi naman ako lumabas. And sobrang ayoko nang bumalik sa Moscow. Like, parang nakakapagod. And wala lang, parang nalulungkot lang ako dun sa lugar na yun. Kasi, know everything. You have to pay for cash. You have to exchange money from dollar to rubles. And then, for their money. And then, bawal mag-card, no social media, no anything, like parang naka-block lahat. So, parang it's like I'm in the other world. But then, kinaya naman. So, it's just that I don't want to go back there. But let's see kung ano bibigay ng roster, then wala naman tayong magagawa. It's just that I don't like that. Ano pa bang ikukwento ko sa inyo? For the past 2 months, na hindi ako nag-vlog. Like, ayun, puro London and Bangkok lang naman, paulit-ulit. So, parang nawalan din ako ng gana. Kasi, ano bang maipapakita ko sa inyo? Kasi wala naman akong hindi naman ako lumalabas ng London. Like, yung routine ko for Bangkok, paulit-ulit lang. And now I have a new agenda for the vlog. Every time that I will have a Bangkok, sinabi ko na sa inyo earlier that I will go for a cafe hopping. So, para may bago naman, di ba? Anyways, I'm trying to bid for other destinations, but I'm a 380 crew. So, wala akong magagawa doon. It's out of my control. So, I'm just gonna surprise you, whatever, or whenever I have a new destination to unlock. Ayun. So, kamusta naman kayo, guys? Because for me, lately, I'm not okay, but I'm still trying to be okay. Wala, I've been stressing out. Like, sa mga nangyayari sa akin, I feel like I don't deserve it. Because it's so unfair to be judged by people na wala namang ibang alam sa mga nangyayari, but still chose to misunderstand me. Anyways, there's a lot of people who still loves me and understands me. So, I'm just gonna focus on that. Guys, wala nang masabi. It's already 11:40 and later on, I'm gonna leave na. I'm just gonna finish this. I'm already here in the hotel and it's already 4 p.m. And I still have a lot of time kasi ang wake-up call namin is at 11 p.m. and our pickup time going to the airport is at 12. So, since I still have a lot of time, I'm just gonna fix my things and then I'm gonna go for half bath kasi magpa-headspa ako, right? And ayan, as you can see, ang healthy looking ng hair ko for today. And I recommend you guys to visit that hair spa. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna see you on my next vlogs. And see you. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Di mo kaya. Bye!